Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to start a workout on your Apple Watch Series 9. Let's get started. So, as a first step, click on this digital crown to open the list of applications and click on this application which looks like Running Person. After this, you'd be able to see a lot of types of workout, a lot of types of these sports, and I'm sure that you'll find yours. So, to start the workout, find the workout that you want to do. For example, I will choose outdoor walk and click on it. After this, the workout will be started in 3 seconds. So, now, when the workout started, you'd be able to see information about the duration, active calories, your heart rate, and how many meters you walked. If you will swipe to the left, you'd be able to see information about the music that is playing at the moment. So let's go back, and if we swipe to the right, we'd be able to see the menu of workout. Right here you can end the workout or pause it if you want to take a break. And that's it. To end a workout, swipe to the right and click on this button End. And that's it. Now you know how to start a workout on your Apple Watch Series 9. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.